You're very, very pretty.
No, look at your pretty eyes. So what can you tell me about what you're up to right now?
Yeah, now's a really exciting time. I am starting an album that's fan-funded, 100% fan-funded, and it should be done by mid to late summer. And I just actually was on the Marie Osmond show. I debuted the single, and that was so much fun. It's the first network TV I've done since The Voice, so
That's great.
it was a good time.
I mean, what kind of pressures does it give you to have a fan-funded album? Do you feel like, oh my god, I have to make sure I put out exactly what they want? Or do you feel like you can't be as experimental as you might be otherwise?
I mean, I gave them all a little taste of the album beforehand. I did a web show, and I did about 6 of the songs that are going to be on the album. So I said, this is a preview, this is what I'm going to be doing. If you like it, pledge. And they did. So I'm just going to try to make the best album I can and give them the best quality recording they can, the most competitive in this marketplace, album that I can do.
Yeah.
And I think that's all they want from me. I mean, they may all have their expectations of what I'm going to do, but I think at the end of the day, it's about they love you and they love your voice, and as long as you're not doing anything too crazy, they're going to be in there.
They dig you. That's why you were on The Voice. That's why
exactly. And it's not like I'm doing anything too experimental. So
you're not suddenly hardcore rapping.
Exactly. No rapping.
So I might actually pay to see that.
That's a good idea.
I might actually pay to see that. So what, I mean, of your time on The Voice, what do you think was the biggest lesson you feel like you learned from it?
I'm so sorry?
From your time on The Voice, what do you feel like was the biggest lesson you took away from it?
The biggest lesson I took away from it is to take more risks and to kind of live in a zone of discomfort, because if you don't, you're not going to get better. You're not going to do anything better. I think you're as big as the pot you're planted in. Like those plants that don't grow any bigger than the pot they're in. I want to put myself in a bigger pot every month, every day, and I want to grow, and I want to get better as time goes on.
I mean, that's a good thing to feel.
Because on the show they challenged me, and I was challenged to do more than what I was comfortable doing.